Welcome to the video topic validation types in the pharmaceutical industry. In this video, we are going to learn regarding different types of validation and how these validations are important. So let's start with the video, and after watching this video you will be able to have understanding about different validation types and what is the importance, how these are related. Then also you will learn the terminologies related to these type of validations. So first of all, what is validation? If someone asks you regarding the definition or meaning of validation, that time simply you should tell them that validation is a process of providing a documented evidence, and that evidence is for the process or it is for the system, and that documented evidence is for the process and system for what? For the process or system can produce or can work as per the predetermined specifications or requirement. For example, if you want to validate the blender speed, the validation report conclusion will be such that if I run the blender at 10 rpm, then blender actually runs at 10 rpm, and for that the process is done to evaluate, to establish the documented evidence. That process is called as validation. So by definition, validation is a process of establishing documented evidence that the process or system can consistently produce a product that meets predetermined specifications. For example, I have given you like blender, then blender speed, then blending efficiency. Blending efficiency you can validate by having the blend uniformity data at different time points, so that you can say that the blending process is validated and the blender rpm is validated. Also, calibration and validation are related terminologies to each other. Some similarities and some differences may be there considering the qualification, calibration, validation, but the ultimate aim is to provide or to ensure the safety, quality, and efficacy for the drugs and the formulations produced. So let's see the types of validation. There are broadly 5 categories of validation: process validation, cleaning validation, equipment and instrument qualification and validation, computer system validation, and computer software assurance. And fifth one is analytical method validation. As a pharma professional, we should know these things in detail. At least we should understand the different types of validation and how these are important. What are the points for these validations? First is process validation, and process validation by definition is it ensures the manufacturing process consistently delivers quality products through scientifically supported evidence. So similarly, the definition you can say that process validation is a process of establishing the documented evidence that the process or pharmaceutical unit operation process provides the consistent results. Stages in the process validations are process design, process qualification, continued process verification. So designing is the first stage, and process design establishes the commercial process using insights from the development and scale up. Process qualification verifies that the design is capable of consistent commercial production, and continued process verification, that is CPV, implements continuous monitoring to maintain the process control. So process validation is a major part in the product development and commercial product manufacturing. So different types of process validations are there: prospective, retrospective, concurrent validation, and revalidation. So process validation video I will make, and in that I will elaborate the process validation types in detail. Coming to the cleaning validation. So nowadays cleaning validation is a very important topic, and many regulatory authorities are asking questions on cleaning validation. Cleaning validation purpose is to verify that the cleaning method is capable to remove residues below acceptable levels to prevent the cross contamination. Regulations are there provided by the IMA, FDA guidelines, and PICS. Many guidelines are there related to this cleaning validation. Cleaning validation requirements, it demonstrates scientifically and document that cleaning procedure consistently meet established criteria. Different terminologies like HBEL and MACO are related to cleaning validation. Then third is equipment and instrument qualification and validation. It is abbreviated as EQV. The purpose of EQV is to ensure equipment and instrument function properly and produce consistent results to maintain product safety and quality. So here one word is there like qualification. Components like qualification include installation qualification IQ, operational qualification OQ, and performance qualification PQ. This also involves the terminologies and work like FAT, SAT, and UAT. So FAT, SAT, and UAT. FAT means factory acceptance testing, SAT means site acceptance testing, and UAT means user acceptance testing. So FAT, SAT, and UAT, then IQ, OQ, PQ, these all are the parts of validation. These are the qualification uh, areas which supports the validation activities. Then computer system validation CSV and computer software assurance CSA. These are also the validation activities. Purpose of computer system validation and computer software assurance is to ensure that computer systems in drug manufacturing are secure, reliable, and maintain the data integrity. So the approaches are CSV and CSA. CSV is computer system validation. It is suitable for high risk system that impact patient safety or product quality. CSA, that is computer software assurance, it is a streamlined risk based approach for low to medium risk systems, reducing cost and accelerating time to market. So software assurance is there and system validation is there for computer system validation. Fifth number is analytical method validation, and the guideline related to this is ICHQ2. Purpose of analytical method validation, that is AMV, is to confirm that analytical methods used for testing are reliable, accurate, and fit for their intended purpose. Parameters include specificity, linearity, accuracy, precision, robustness, and detection or quantitation limits. Importance of the AMV is that it ensures compliance with regulatory requirements like regulatory bodies like FDA, EMA, ANVISA, Swissmedic, and country-specific guidelines. And AMV maintains the efficacy and quality of pharmaceutical products. So this is the information for AMV, analytical method validation. In this video, I have enlisted the validation types which are critical and which are very important for pharmaceutical industries. So we should know about these validation types. I will make upcoming videos for each of these validation type in more detail. These type of topics are very important considering the interviews, also considering the examinations. So we should be aware about these topics and we should be well known to these activities in the pharmaceutical industries. Validation is a very critical area, very important area, and a process in the pharmaceutical industry which involves much of the time, energy, efficiency, and cost. Because the validation gives you guarantee regarding the safety and efficacy of the pharmaceutical products. I hope you might have got good in understanding information for the validation types. Please share this video to your friends and colleagues and also do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching the video.